Welcome, I am Francisco and today I am making black salt using eggshells. This is a protective ingredient that can be added to spells, baths, and used in the home. You will need eggshells, charcoal or ashes, and salt, optionally pepper. The egg is a divine symbol of fertility and the beginning of life. It is as sacred as the womb. After cleaning the eggshells with some soap, let them dry and crush them with your mortar and pestle. Eggshells represent the protective layer, a shield around this unborn life. Work it until you have a very fine powder. I'm using a strainer to filter out the big pieces. This powder is also known as cascarilla or cáscara de huevo, which means eggshells, and it's sold in most spiritual stores in Latin America. It's commonly mixed with holy water, Florida water, or oils for spiritual baths. I will crush the charcoal in the mortar and pestle until I get a black powder and add it to my mixture. This can be a very satisfying exercise, especially if you're holding on to negative thoughts or feelings. Visualize them as you crush your ingredients and let all the negativity be released during this exercise. Ashes represent the purifying power of fire to burn and banish anything negative. Then I will add some salt. Salt preserves and protects. I will keep adding and mixing it until I like what I see. You can use black salt in protection spells to remove unwanted energies from your home. For example, you can sprinkle it around the house and then sweep it out the door. Especially if someone came in with negative energy or just as a protection ritual for the home. You can get more ideas by watching my other video on the protective uses of salt. People have also used black salt to heal, drive away curses, nightmares, and bad luck. You can add it to pouches or bags with other protective herbs, or even use it to dress a candle. This is not edible, so don't add it to the food. You may also use it to create sigils for protection around the house, on your book of shadows, or spell books, or even on your skin. This recipe was originally shared by Silver Bear from the Eclectic Green Witchery at the Spellsate forum. You can support our work by joining the forum at spellsate.com. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.